side, Mr. Smiley. I hope everything's good. It's Saturday, late afternoon. On my way home to see the business. I get some stuff done. I gotta get my my driver plates, for the car done. I'm late. Say hi to Bob. Bob, how you doing? You doing all right? Hey guys, how you doing? He's ready to go, man. He's ready to go back to work. He's walking that way. I couldn't find another Bob to go that way. Oh boy. Anywho. So I'm kind of on an adventure. I run 3 all the way down to Muncie, right? Montucky. And there's a truck over there. I might be doing some hunting or something. But I just got detoured towards 69 over that way. And because there's supposed to be a bridge out 4 miles ahead, well, I thought I would take a dirt road and come back and go south that way. But, oh, excuse me, sorry. I'm pretty sure I just did a kind of a loop back to 3. So I'm on 3. We'll see where that detour's at, and we'll figure that out when we get there. But like I said, I'm on my way. Charlene, I'm on my way. On this video, I did a drone video today of the workplace. And just because we got hit by a snowstorm last night, we probably got 3 inches of snow, I would say, up there in Michigan. Pretty insane, if you ask me. So that says road closed ahead. Now, I don't know how closed that is, but I don't know how the heck I'm going to get around it. Let's go this way. Yeah, we're on an adventure today. I know I can't go, behind me. I can't advance towards Harper Shitty for, that way. Oh, I just seem to know blue. An old truck, too. An old truck. But anywho, we got hit by a snowstorm, so I thought I'd share. It just looked pretty. Not a whole lot of guys running today, so everything was pretty just, calm in a way. So I kind of showcased that a little bit. I had Arbin and Eddie working today, doing the old crunch and munch with the machines. So you guys get to see that, and the crusher was running today. Now Arbin, he is from Armenia, and Ernie is also from Armenia, or something like that. And he does watch this, so hi. Howdy, Arbin. Talk about you, man. Here we go, another dirt road. But on my videos, he's the one that I call the Armenian Nightmare. He's on Facebook. I believe it's, you just look up Arbin Mana. And he should be on that Facebook. Real cool dude, man. Real cool dude. Knows his shit, too, man. He knows what he's doing. Ernie knocked off a track today, so Arbin helped me. Urban. Sorry, I don't know. He helped me put the track back on. Like I said, dude, smart as a whip, man. Got it on flat, just done. Half hour, baby. Very quick. So that's what happened today. Yeah, the laborers, Keon and Mary, I believe I can get back to that road there on 1100 South. No more noisy noise. Much better. they come in and clean some tracks and some odds and ends stuff today. Tracks are getting pretty bad. They kick up a lot of mud. Although it is the operator's job description, in their job description, to, shovel out their own damn tracks. But us laborers do what it takes. Keep that job rolling. So, we got that done, and I got a phone call today. If y'all remember old Caesar, he's coming back Monday. That's pretty exciting. I'm pretty excited about that. I'll be able to see my buddy. He went down to Mexico for a few months while it was all cold and nasty, and he's got, another month of it, and he's done with it. So, he's back, baby. There's that coming up. I've got a lot to talk about, I guess. Back on 3. There's my road closed sign. Well, I can't even switch it around. I can't do this though. Here, check it out. Oh, where's that? Don't mind my handprints at all. There you go, you guys. There's the old road closed. And if you can see all the way down that way, you can see the, looks like they got a cat running, that bridge down there. Whoa! Excuse me. Earthquake! I don't know if you guys could see the church right there, but they got a older cemetery. So I might do my drone there one day. I'm gonna wait till it gets a little bit nicer and sunny, Don't you like it when I say, oh yeah, okay, yeah. Little rant, you ready? Little rant. Got my taxes done. This is the most I've ever made in my life this year. And paid the most in my federal taxes I have ever paid in my life. I've had nothing but issues since my divorce trying to get a tax check. I'm more worried about paying than getting. So don't get me wrong on this. But I paid so much in federal taxes. I didn't even get a 0.05 back of it. Awful. It is just highway robbery. The federal government is highway robbery. It's amazing how much they steal from us. That is my rant. You used to be able to have deductions on your jobs if you worked out of state. So you get some driving allowance, for your gas, your food, lodging, and all that stuff, right? Well, in somebody's infinite wisdom, you could call, say, Trump or Biden or that got me. Our most favorite president ever, Obama, or Bush, or whoever done it. I just cannot fathom paying that much and getting nothing back. It's amazing to me. I feel like I've done something wrong, which I go to H&R Block, so I'm covered, but I feel like something isn't right. That's how much money I lost. Without saying how much money I lost. You know what I mean? It's sad. It's pathetic. I was angry about it. I was so angry about it that I was riding Sunday and it was cold. I stopped at the AutoZone to get me some gloves, hand mittens. And I dumped my bike over. Oh, man. What a horrible day that was. But I digress. I'm just going to have to become president, get rid of the federal tax, and a few other things. We'll be all right. Anyways, you guys, hey, I put the drone video is over 7 minutes, which I can always knock it down. I can knock a couple minutes off of it, so I'm not too worried about that. But we're at 10 minutes right here, me just rattling on about my day and my woes, and I got a lot I could bitch about, truly. But I'm not trying to get on panic call, nobody likes to hear my politics. When it comes to affecting you, then it will become your politics when I speak. So, y'all make sure you are safe and having a good time. Enjoy your week. I know I will see you next week. Say bye 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 bye. My Charlene, I'm on my way, baby. I'm coming home. I'm coming home to you. Woohoo! Anyways, you guys, love, peace, shit, grease. Peace out. Wow. Hey, one more thing. If you guys are enjoying my video, please like and subscribe. It helps all that jungaroo up. So, thanks, guys.